Hey there, folks. Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Pattern Day Trader, where in which you can follow me along on my journey as I attempt to grow a $3,000 day trading account with broker Capital Markets Elite Group from 3,000 to 30,000. And today I will go over the 12th day of my journey, which incidentally was a record day for me. This was my most profitable day since I started trading, and I made just over 400 gross. And with that day, this now puts my account on, well, my gross profits, almost up to 1,000 for the month so far. But after commissions, I suspect I will now be up about 800 and something. So I started the month with around 3,000. My first day was red, so it dipped down when I recovered. And so I had a string of green days, then one red day, then solid bounce back with a solid green day. I had a red day, I think this was last week, Friday. And so far this week has been really solid. So so far the journey has not been too bad. I'm close to my first milestone, which is hitting 4,000, and soon I will hit my second milestone of 5,000. Well, hopefully, if all goes well. So let's just take a quick look at the trades and how I managed to put together a record day yesterday. Now, if you notice, if you would have seen in past videos, I have had none of these individual trades are close to being my largest individual winning trades. However, together, together, they added up to for a really solid day. Um, so the first trade that I took was I had a bit my fingers, I had a bit of itchy fingers early on. I was antsy to trade. So it took a shot in Lucid Motors early on before catching myself. Before catching myself and and realizing that I needed to get out of it. So he took a shot, and then after he noticed that it wasn't following through, even though the markets were selling off at the time, I just decided that I would just get out and secure a small green start to the day. So that was my first trade yesterday. Then I noticed Tesla, which was selling off all of last week and the week before, was bouncing for the first time with some really aggressive buying, and it pushed, it formed a flag. This is my bread and butter pattern. So I played this with only 5 shares. Initially, I bought 4 shares only, then added an extra one. So I played this with 5 shares, and then as it popped up to 1050, which is a psychological number, I just got out to lock it in on a solid profit and put me up in an even better position on the day. Then the third trade I took was in Mara. I passed on the the opening drive play in Mara for the second time, regretfully. Would have worked out good. But then as it pulled back, I got in long. Mara, if you've ever traded Mara before, or the crypto stocks, you know how they're a bit erratic. They're hard to hold on to. So I chose to just lock in some quick profits as it bounced, because I wasn't sure it would just pull back on me. And I should have let the last 25 shares ride out for the bigger move, but I didn't have the patience to do so. So I just chose to lock in the profit. Ended up putting another nice gain, putting up even better on the morning, yesterday morning. Then after seeing the strength in Lucid Motors, I realized that shorts would have been shorting looking for this to sell off would now be trapped. So I got long, sold into the quick pop up to the high of day, lock in profits, added back. Unfortunately, we sold everything as it popped the new high of day to lock in the biggest winning trade on the day. But I really should have let some shares run. As you can see, even if I'd only let 25 shares run, this could have meant an extra $100 in profit on the day. So that was my last trade for that morning. Then I took lunch, came back in the afternoon. I decided I didn't want to risk losing more than $30. So I saw Raven set up, which is a new um, electric vehicle company, a sister stock to Tesla and Lucid Motors, which I would have traded in the morning. I realized that the sector was strong in general, and so Raven formed another one of my bread and butter patterns. Would look something like a cup with a handle, or if you can imagine the line like this and one like this, and you can see it's a triangle. And so I got in here, I played it really small. When I got in with 5 shares, gave it a white stop because this, if you can see this tree is very whippy. And then as it broke out, I added 5 more shares. Just I wanted to get 175 on this, but I couldn't hold out. I felt like it was really extended here, so I just locked in a nice gain to end up to put a cap on a solid day. So that's how I managed to put together my record day so far. And let's just take a quick look at my stats overall for the month so far. So for the month so far, I've taken 40 trades with 18 of them, or 45%, being winning trades and 22 being losing trades. Right? My average losing trade is around $42, and my average winning trade is about $105. So that is how I'm able to make money in spite of having more losing trades than winning trades. You know, and most of my profits have come on, interestingly, on a Tuesday and a Thursday so far for this month. On Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I've struggled. So it's always important to keep track of your statistics so you can see when and if you need to make adjustments. Be profitable in any price, yeah, across all the price range, wide price range of stocks. But my favorite, it's clearly 20 to $50. And my most profitable stick individual stock is Lucid Motors. Um, this chart again demonstrates to you how you make money trading stocks. You keep your losses small when you're wrong, keep your losses small and control. But when you're right, you let your winners run. You see? So the winners outsize the losers, and then you end up making profits. So yeah. So there you go. That was day 12 of my journey towards from 3K to 30K. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Hope you got value from this. And I wish you the best of luck in your own endeavors. I hope you can give me a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Yeah.